Right, yeah, welcome back again. So we are looking at our second part of the chi-square now, and we want to look at the same chi-square for testing. We want to test for two categorical variables, and we are using the same data set. Don't forget, I define former one as test for proportion. Okay, to see if there's a significant difference. That is first one, which we call the modus of fit test. And then the second one is test for independence. So we will test to determine whether there is a relationship between two categorical variables. Okay, so that is the purpose of this second test. To want to find out if there is a relationship between two categorical variables. So that is we are looking at a the class and the age. Okay, so is there any relationship between two of them? So we want to look at it. So this is test for categorical variables, two categorical variables. We call it chi-square test of independence. Okay, the former one is test of goodness of fit, a test of independence. So otherwise called test of proportion. That's the first one. So let's say we have a research question that says, is there any relationship between the class and age? Or can simply put, there is no. Let's say we are creating an hypothesis now. There's no relationship between the two variables, between the class and the age. The variables are independent. That's what we are saying. No relationship, they are independent. In other words, we are trying to say that knowing the value of one variable does not help to predict the value of the other variable. That's what we are saying. Okay, that is what it means. Right? Then there is a relationship between the two variables. That is to say, the class and age variables. It means the variables are dependent on each other. In other words, knowing the value of one variable does help to predict the value of the other variable. So that was so that depends on what you are doing. Okay, we want to test this sometimes to know if one variable depends on the other. Then even knowing one variable can mainly help to predict the other variable. So that is called test of independence. Okay. Alright. So now we want to create a contingency table, right? Same we create. So here we can create here now a table. We want to know different proportion of the age group in each classes. We say we use this method, right? Now we have first class, second class, third class, group, and then we have a child, we have adult. So under child, we are saying that in the first class, in the first class section, we have only 6 child and 319 adults. I mean 6 children. So 31 adults. So in second class, we have 24 children. We have 261 adults. In the third class, we have 79 children. We have 622 adults. And for crew, no children at all for crew. We have only 885 adults. Of course, that makes sense because crew cannot be children. Okay, right. So now we are going to test for two categorical variables now. So before we do that, we want to assign this same thing to a variable now, but age in class. Let's call it age in class. You see, we call the same thing now, the same conjugate table we have created now. We call it here again, assign it to this variable, right? Let's run this line. So now we have it here now. So we can now pass it to our chi-square test. Okay, just pass it in here. So to see, or we can now do the same thing for here. Just call this variable and then call chi-square, pipe it in, right? So we can just run this line now. Line code. So run this line. What do we have? We have our p-value is equal to 2.2, so which is highly significant, right? So that is that. So based on this frequency or percentages, we should expect a strong relationship between the class and age. Okay? Yes, you should expect a strong relationship because the class actually based on age. You can see that even the children are not part of the group. Okay, so which means it takes a particular age to be in the class. Okay, the value of the chi-statistic is 118.41, right? Then and the p value is practically less than 0.05. So we reject the null hypothesis of no relationship. There was a significant relationship between the class and the age. That is our report and our conclusion. Right? So the two classes, you can try other classes we have in that particular data set class to see, because truly speaking, not all of them will be dependent on each other, but I can see class and age are clearly dependent. They are dependent. So knowing one class can help you to predict the other. That's what it is. Yes. So that is that for today about this particular class. Square for this will depend to categorical variable. So go for that. If you are not clear about the first intro to it, you can go and check the part one of it and see if you can understand better. So thank you so much for listening. I'll see you in the next class.